Hello students, today we will discuss the topic, the session 13, social psychology. The topic is the role of family in socialization. ಸಾಮಾಜೀಕರಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಕುಟುಂಬದ ಪಾತ್ರ. The previous session we discussed about the process and importance of socialization in early socialization. ಎಳೆತನದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಮಾಜೀಕರಣದ ಮಹತ್ವವನ್ನು ನಾವು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ಸೆಷನಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ರೋಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಇನ್ ಸೋಷಲೈಸೇಷನ್. ಹೂ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ದ ಸೋಷಲೈಸೇಷನ್? Is it family? Is it the parents? Is it the school? Etc. Like that will be discussed now. The learning objective is to understand the impact of society on human behavior. Okay, we'll discuss the topic, the role of family in socialization. The family play important role in the process of socialization of a human being, especially the early socialization. It's considered to be a most important agent of socialization. The family is perhaps the most influential as well as intimate socializer for a child. ಮನೆ ಮೊದಲ ಪಾಠಶಾಲೆ, ತಾಯಿಯ ಮೊದಲ ಗುರು ಅಂತ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. The home, the child will come to a home, and in a home the child will learn everything. Before entering into the society, before becoming a member of society, the child has to learn what is society and how it has to act in a society, how he has to take the responsibilities of like society. All these things it will be taught in family, like, or in a member of family. ಆ ಕುಟುಂಬವು ಬಹುಶಃ ಮಗುವಿಗೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಪ್ರಭಾವಶಾಲಿ ಮತ್ತು ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಿಕಟ ಸಮಾಜವನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸಿಕೊಡ್ತವೆ. The immediate family, which consists of parents, grandparents, children, siblings, who provides the foundational experience for social interaction. In a family, these members will be there, like the parents, the father, mother, ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಅವರ ಕುಟುಂಬದವರು, ಅವರ ಅಕ್ಕ ತಂಗಿ ತಮ್ಮ. ಈಗ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಆದರೆ ತುಂಬ ಮಂದಿ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಆದರೆ ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇವರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಸಾಮಾಜೀಕರಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹುಮುಖ್ಯ ಪಾತ್ರವನ್ನು ವಹಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. The family teaches how to care for ourselves, but also give us our first system of value, norms and beliefs. That's what the family is. Not only teaches how to take care of ourselves, how the norms, values and it should be there in our life. The family provides an environment of emotional security for the child. They also pass on social and cultural values as well as providing an identity for the child. These are the media of socialization. The family, it play important role. ಕುಟುಂಬದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಗು ಹೇಗೆ ಬೆಳಿಬೇಕು, ಮಗುವಿಗೆ ಭಾವನಾತ್ಮಕ ಸುರಕ್ಷತೆಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡುವಂಥ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಕುಟುಂಬವು ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಸಾಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಕ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಮೌಲ್ಯಗಳು, ನೈತಿಕತೆ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಇದೆಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳಿಕೊಡುವಂಥದ್ದು ಮಗುವಿಗೆ ಕುಟುಂಬ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. Then, on a practical level, families provide economic support in the form of housing, food and protection, and ensure the maintenance of population by reproduction. That's what society, we cannot say that what it teaches and what not teaches. It teaches everything. When we find a problematic children, the child with the behavioral problem or disease, any other issues, we come to talk about the family. What's the background of a particular child? The background of the child, it will have an impact on their behavior that easily we can identify. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ದ ಸಾಮಾಜೀಕರಣ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದನ್ನು ಈ ಸಮಾಜ ಅಥವಾ ಕುಟುಂಬದನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. ಇನ್ process of socialization, there are different groups play important role that we can divide as a primary group and a secondary group. In a primary group there is a family, peer group, schoolmates, sports group, caste group, etc. that will come. And in secondary group, the religious group, national group, language group, political group, etc. that will come in the secondary group. Like the both will have a impact or they play important role in the process of socialization. The family, that's what I said, it is a small social group which members share close personal enduring relationship with another. Why family play important role in the process of socialization? Because in a family that we can find there is a close relationship. They have blood relationship each other. They cannot leave one another. Like the family is a group in which one exchange implicit items such as love, caring, concern, support. By all these, the child will learn how to care, how to live, how to contact, how to talk. The everything that will be teach in society, that will be teach in family. Then relationship formed in family are often long lasting and goals in themselves. See that we cannot cut the relationship of family, if it is friend for other or anything, that's okay, fine, you may not want to contact, you can leave away, but in family we cannot like ಇಸ್ ಅ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಶಿಪ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಸೇ, ಅಥವಾ ಕುಟುಂಬ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಕ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು, ಕೌಟುಂಬಿಕ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಇರುವಂಥದ್ದು, ಅದನ್ನು ಮುರಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಆ ಒಂದು ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇರುವುದರಿಂದ ಕುಟುಂಬಕ್ಕೆ ಅಥವಾ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿಗೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ಕೂಡ ಇರ್ತವೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಅವರು ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ದ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಕೋಆಪರೇಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಈಚ್ ಅದರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೇರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಟಿಮೇಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಅಮಾಂಗ್ ದೆಮ್. So this will help them to have interact communication with each other. Small size family consists of less number of individual. Of it is a joint family may have the more number, though they will play important role in each other. In a family, there's members know each other personally and have an intimate relationship. You know, they have close relationship. Every day they'll meet. Then and there they'll meet them, each other. They'll share. They know each other. One's personal, one's information. Everyone they'll aware of. So when the problem arises to another, the all member will be come and help him. When there is a support is there, when other one he will help them. So this is what family like. The physical proximity or closeness among the members in the family is important and is very essential. That's what the process of socialization is very important nowadays, that we can see that the people should aware of what the family, what the relationship, why should we maintain, how we can have a good relationship with each other in a member of family. Like the personal, close and intimate relationship could be possible only when members are physically closer to each other. In a family they have the close relationship with each other, so it is possible they can have an intimate relationship with each other. The family members have a face-to-face relations, seeing and talking each other makes exchange of ideas, thoughts and opinions easily. There is no hiding with one another. ಕುಟುಂಬದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಂದೇ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಆ ಕೌಟುಂಬಿಕ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದನ್ನು ತುಂಬ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಈಸಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಟು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎ ಗುಡ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಮೆಂಬರ್. ಟು ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ದ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ, ದ ಅರ್ಲಿ ಸೋಷಿಯಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ವಿಟ್ ಮೇಕ್ಸ್ ದ ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಟು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎ ಗುಡ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ವಿತ್ ಈಚ್ ಅದರ್. The stability and durability of relationship in a family is long lasting. There is a stable, close, intimate and personal relationship among the members of the family. So it will be close, it is intimate, it is it's forever like. So the family play important role here. It will make the individual to have a good relationship with the other. Or process of socialization, family play important role. Besides the relationship among the members of the family are durable and relationship never ends. That's what I said. It cannot end off like. So the family play very, and it should make the people or a child to become socialized. The relationship among the members of the family is not only close but also a personal. They have close each other. Okay. And even then that I can say the control over the members in the family, like the family person members, they'll have a control with the other. If anyone not follow the norms, regulations, systems of the society, the members will teach him how he has to be, how he has to contact with each other. There is a sacrificing, there is some give and take system, it will be there, and it shows a good relationship. The family, whenever the problem arises, we see what family he came from. If there is a family, there is no intimate relationship with each other, so it will have an impact with his future life. It's easily we can understand. So by this end I can say conclude that the process of socialization very important in individual, and family play very important role. Thank you.